Hello, in front of me I've got FC25. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable cross-path assistance. In the beginning, let's go to Settings, and now enter Settings again and Game Settings. Scroll down, find Cross Assistance and select between Assisted, Manual or Semi. Cross direction and power will be partially assisted. The effectiveness of the cross will depend more on where you aim and how long you hold square. The direction aim is the direction the cross travels. The longer you hold square, the more powerful the cross will be. Cross direction and power will be assisted. This helps the player cross more effectively into the receiver's path when you aim into the box. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.